Hi friends, good morning to one and all. And I am from IARE, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering, Dundigal. And today my topic is methods to achieve effective listening comprehension. Then first of all, my name is Vinod Reddy Bogala, and today my subject is English and the branch ECE. And first of all, effective effective listening comprehension. What is listening? First of all, we can communicate what is listening. Listening is not just about being quiet while someone else is speaking. Listening is a process of receiving and constructive meaning from and responding to the spoken and or non-verbal messages. We can must be respond to the speaker, and we can form the constructive meaning of the what is speaker is saying. And listening is an active process. What is meant by comprehension? Comprehension means reading and understanding, and this is the listening process. We can what is listening, then there is a listening, we can understand it. And definition: listening comprehension is a receptive skill. Receptive means taking or grasp something, and opposes to the speaking, which is productive, but this does not mean it is a passive skill. Is and much to the contrary, listening comprehension is an interactive process. We can improve the cities and interactive process. When we interact, we can improve our listening comprehension and interactive with the test and the tracks to contest external situations and the internal background knowledge of the them. And there are 10 types to improve our effective listening skills. First step: face the speaker and maintain eye contact. Must be when the speaker is saying, make the speaker with eye contact. Then we can be attentive but relax. In this process, be present, give attention, apply or direct yourself, pay attention. And the third step is keep an open mind. Must be when the speaker is saying, be in open mind. And the fourth step, we prepare to listen. Avoid the interpreting and wait the interject and the right time. Look the speaker in the eye and show what you are being the attentive and the actual care about that are saying. When the speaker is seeing at you, and the speaker is must be concluded that you are to more attentive and more to interact with the speaker, then the speaker says more. And seventh step, practice the art of mirroring. When we saying the mirroring in front of mirror, we can say, and we can more listening skills, we can practice more listening skills. Practice the art of the mirroring. Give positive and non-verbal feedback. When we give the positive feedback to the speaker, and the speaker is usually says the more knowledge and shares the more knowledge to us. There are 10 types of improving effective skills. And the 10th step, last step, pay attention and what is said and non-verbal cues. There are seven key active speaking skills, listening skills. And the first one, be attentive. And the top about scene, we can conclude in by this flowchart. First one, be attentive. Ask an open-minded questions. When we ask the questions to the speaker, and we concluded that we can understand or something to their deep, and we can't forget it. That is the listening comprehension. And the third, ask probing questions. Probing means different questions, not illegal, not irresponsible, funny questions, not unique questions we want to ask. And the fourth, request clarification. That request, our request has to clarify the speaker, and then we want to ask the questions. And the perhaps, and be attentive and the relative feeling, and summarize. Thank you friends. Okay, bye friends. I'm